Hi, my name is Kristy Grignon. I'm the Senior Director of Business Development here at MassMEP. So the Voice to Manufacturing survey, which is what brings us here today, is such an important survey that we send out. We send it out once a year, and it's really to gauge the temperature of the manufacturer. What's going on in your organization? Are you hiring? Can you find skilled workers? Are you putting in new equipment? Are you starting a new market? What types of training do you need? What's going on with your supply chain? Are you using additive manufacturing or not? Are you using automation? This helps gauge really the temperature of manufacturing here in Massachusetts so that we can put that information out to your legislature, see if there's more policies, more business-friendly policies that can be put into place. Or additionally, what types of grants do you need? Do you need more capital equipment grants? Do you need more grants to support you with workforce training? Everybody should complete this survey. We do want to know if you're C-level or if you're executive or supervisor or shop floor, but every single manufacturer in Massachusetts should complete this survey. We want to hear from everyone, small, medium, large, and every facet of the organization. The Voice to Manufacturing survey is for all industries. Whether you're a small machine shop, whether you're a mom and pop ice cream maker, whether you're a startup, your voice matters here in Massachusetts. It takes 5 to 7 minutes. We've had some already come through, and the longest time it took was 7 minutes and 13 seconds. Where you can find the survey, this is so important. So it's on the MassMEP website, which is massmep.org. If you're receiving an email from anyone at MassMEP, it's going to be in the signature to just click on it. It's going to be on LinkedIn, it's going to be on Instagram, it's going to be on Facebook, and it's going to be in our newsline and all of our email blasts going forward. Additionally, our partners will be sending this out as well, such as AIM, Forge, MassTech Collaborative. So make sure that you click on it, take it that 7 minutes and 13 seconds, if it takes you that long, to do the Voice of Manufacturing survey and make sure your voice is heard.